Welcome back to the channel. If you're managing your business finances with Zoho Books, one of the most important tasks you'll need to master is recording a purchase entry, also known as a bill. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process so you can keep your accounts accurate and up to date. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a couple of key tips that will make your workflow even smoother. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account from your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, click on the option labeled Purchases. This is where all your vendor-related transactions are managed. Inside Purchases, you'll find the Bills section. Click on it, and this is where you can see all your existing purchase records. To add a new one, simply click Create a Bill. Now you'll see a bill entry form. This is where the accuracy of your data really matters. Start by selecting the vendor. You can choose an existing vendor from your list or create a new one if it's your first time dealing with them. Next, fill in the purchase date, the due date if applicable, and then add the items or services you've procured. Be sure to input quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes correctly. This information directly impacts your expense tracking and financial reports, so double check everything before moving on. Once all the details are in place, take a moment to review. Accuracy here is key to avoiding reconciliation headaches later. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. Your purchase entry is now officially recorded in Zoho Books. To confirm, you can head back to the dashboard. Here, you'll see the impact of the new purchase entry reflected in your overall financial status and outstanding liabilities. And that's it. You've now learned how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books quickly and accurately. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step business guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.